Let's start with the 15th sum, exercise 5.7, question number 15. Y is equal to 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x. So dy by dx, derivative with respect to x, it is 500 constant, e raised to x is e raised to x, and then 7x is 7. Okay, here 600, then e raised to minus x, and derivative of minus 7x is minus 7. If you multiply it here, 7 5s are 35, is it? Or you can take 7 common, is it? If you take 7 common, inside will be 500 e raised to 7x minus this minus here, so 600 e raised to minus 7x. So d square y by dx square, 7 constant, again we will take 500 e raised to 7x, derivative of e raised to x is 7, minus 600 e raised to minus 7x, again minus 7, minus into minus plus, so it will be 600. Okay, 600 and 7 will be taken again common, so 49. So 500 e raised to 7x plus 600 e raised to minus 7x, but this is what y, so d square y by dx square is 49 y. E raised to x plus 1 is equal to 1. E raised to y dy by dx, okay, u into v form, so e raised to y as constant, and with respect to y we have to take dy by dx. This is kept constant, is it? Again, if you take derivative of e raised to y, x plus 1 as a constant, then derivative of e raised to x, e raised to y is e raised to y, and what is the derivative of y? Dy by dx. So what you get it? E raised to y dy by dx into x plus 1 plus, now e raised to y as a constant, and we will to take derivative of this. Derivative of x is 1, and derivative of x is 1, and derivative of 1 is 0, so it will remain as 1, and derivative of 1 again it is 0, is it? So e raised to y you can take common, so inside the bracket dy by dx, in the bracket x plus 1 plus 1. If you divide e raised to y, bring on this side, 0 upon e raised to y is 0, so again back what we will get? Dy by dx x plus 1 dy by dx into x plus 1 plus 1. So what we finally get it here is that dy by dx x plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, plus 1 no on that side, it will be minus. So dy by dx is x plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So dy by dx, this will again go in division. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x plus 1. So d square y by dx square, see, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 1 will go up, and will take derivative of minus 1, minus 1 will kept constant, and will take the derivative of x plus 1. So d square y by dx square is equal to x plus 1, derivative of minus 1 is 0, plus minus, is it? Here it is minus into minus plus, then derivative of this x plus 1 is 1, because derivative of x is 1 and derivative of 1 is 0, so it will be 1. This if we multiply with 0, it will become 0, so 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So d square y by dx square will be 1 upon x plus 1 whole square. So d square y by dx square is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 whole square, is it? What is this? This is dy by dx. So d square y by dx square is equal to dy upon dx whole square, henceforth. Y is equal to tan inverse square. So first, respect to the power 2. So y1 is equal to 10 square x. See? Then what is the derivative of 10 square x? 1 upon 1 plus x square. So if you simplify, you will get y1 is equal to 2 10 square x upon 1 plus x square. Taking this in multiplication, so 1 plus x square, y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Okay, this become u into v form. So first we'll keep 1 plus x square as a constant, derivative of y1 is y2 plus, now y1 is remain constant, and derivative of this 1 is 0, x square is 2x, so it will be 2x y1 is equal to 2. Tan inverse x 1 upon 1 plus x square. is it? So it is just matter of simplification. 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to 2. 1 plus x square, is it? So this will be multiplied here. So what will it become? 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus x 2x into 1 plus x square y1 is equal to 2. Hence 2.